In this video, we will show you how to replace your exterior mirror puddle light. On this Ford Flex, you'll have one of these located on each of your front mirrors. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Make your way underneath your outside mirror. On the mirror, you're going to find that you have two small tabs. Use a small screwdriver. Make your way inside this area and gently pry at it. Once you have one side popped out of place, continue on to the other side. Now we can pull this out of here and disconnect our wiring. As you remove each one of these electrical connectors, just give them a quick peek. If you see any funny colors, that would be corrosion. Now we can get ready to install our brand new mirror puddle light. Connect each one of your wires. Now you'll notice that your kit came with some heat shrink. Let's slide that right over the connector, put the connector in the center of the heat shrink, and use a heating source to shrink it down. Now let's do the same to the other one. Now once you have both of those connectors properly protected, let's go ahead and put that wiring up inside the mirror and install that puddle light. We'll align the alignment tabs and press it into the locked position. All right friends, we fully installed our puddle light. At this point, you just want to test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.